First 100 review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review First 100 by Philip Lopez and Gary Baker, launching on 19th March at 10 a.m. EST. With First 100 you will learn how to get your first 100 quality email subscribers with 100% free traffic. Gary will be teaching you a simple way to get traffic from YouTube using an evergreen method that can really scale your email list. And Philip will be doing the same but with Facebook. You will learn how to get more out of your YouTube subscribers when you get them onto your email list. You will learn how to keep it simple while giving your YouTube videos a good chance to rank for realistic keywords. You will learn how to make videos with and without showing your face. You will learn how to easily add quality subscribers from Facebook with simple quality content. You will learn how to turn your Facebook profile into a tool that can get your leads and sales on a regular basis. You can create hyper-targeted lead magnets quickly with your Facebook content. Now let's move to the members area of First 100 so you would have an idea of what to expect once you make your purchase of this product. This is how the members area of First 100 looks like. If you click on the start button here, you will see that there are basically 4 different parts. The first section is the welcome section, and then we have the YouTube section, the Facebook section, and then the conclusion section. With the YouTube section, you would get training videos from Gary Baker, and it has basically 6 subsections, and where he will teach you how to use the power of YouTube to grow your email list. And similarly with the Facebook section, you get training videos from Philip Lopez, and here there are 5 subsections, and you would learn how to use Facebook to grow your email list. And then there's the last section, that is the conclusion section. So this is how the members area of First 100 looks and works. So let's talk about the pricing of this product so that you have a better idea of what this product is going to cost. The front end of the product is First 100 itself, and it costs you $17, and with this you learn 2 different methods on how to get your first 100 qualified subscribers onto your email list using 100% free traffic from YouTube and Facebook. The first upsell of the product costs you $37. It's called First 100 Next Level, and with this you get case studies on how Philip and Gary have used First 100 tactics to build their list along with some done-for-you templates. The next upgrade of the product costs you $197, and it's called Automated List Profits, and here you get lifetime access to done-for-you lead magnet membership coming with a fully editable report. You just need to simply add your links, a landing page, a done-for-you landing page, and 7 follow-up emails, and 2 new packages are added every month and in a different niche. The last upgrade of the product is basically a monthly membership where you get done for you monthly marketing emails, and it costs you $10 per month, and here you will receive funny, friendly, witty and list nurturing email membership that you can use to send to your subscribers. So you will receive 5 new emails each month, and there are over 50 in there already added. So I'm offering some great bonuses if you decide to buy First 100 through my link. So my first bonus is Buyers List Ninja. My next bonus is how to build buyers list. My next bonus is how to make a squeeze page. My next bonus is list building on steroids, and my last bonus is the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. To get all these bonuses, you just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page. And on reaching this page, click on any of these blue tabs, and on clicking on these blue tabs, you can complete your purchase of first 100, and on doing that, all these bonuses will be automatically added to your purchase. Thank you so much for watching my first 100 review. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.